question we get at Bekaert is, what are the signs or indicators that says it's time to replace this fence? So one of the big ones is always, or the easiest, is when that fence starts to break. You see the corrosive component come into a point that you're getting breakage on that wire. Then you've got to worry about your livestock getting entangled, escaping.
A good visual sign, Van, is when you walk out on that fence row and you take a look at it and all the coating is gone. All the galvanization is gone off the wire. The product is brittle, it's starting to sag. It's time to replace that fence.
That's right, Keith. And another good visual sign you can look at are your posts. Have your wood posts started to rot? Are they starting to fall and fail? Once those start to fail, you're not going to do a great job containing livestock or excluding wildlife with a fence that does not have the support system of the post.
That's right. Guys, every fence is going to come to the end of its life at some point. When it comes time to purchase your new products, think of Bekaert.